This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Polo GTI, stock reference number 5162. The shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 5th month 2014. It has a CAVE 1.4 litre 4-cylinder twin-charged petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CAVE 1.4 litre twin-charged petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right tail light appears to be in good condition. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors and guard appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.